今集除咗安裝側窗同埋地板，仲會將睡眠倉優化成一個夢幻倉。
It's working very well.
你好，我哋係港德製之二人
konGTak selfmade。
每次就要煲熱水，用水桶嚟沖涼。
Bye bye. Just keep working on your dreams. In order to put here the window inside, we need to remove this beam. And this is what I will do now with this machine. This bar is allowed to remove from the revisor of the car. There's always booklet and the instruction what you can remove and what you cannot remove. Here marked our area where we want to cut out. Important is measure twice, cut once. I stick masking tape on the bottom of the saw so it will not scratch on the surface from the car. Tipsy, I take here the tape over the cut and here over the cut so the piece will not fall in and smash on the floor. Piece holding all sides cut. Now we will remove and then flatten the corners. Put the corrosion protection on it. I have prepared here these wooden pieces. This is plywood called multiplex with some water protection surface. We will stick the frame around it. Then glue or seal the window from outside. Now you have the mosquito net. You can release the mosquito net, or you can have in the night closed.
跟住會安裝地板，清潔乾淨之後，可以按地面實際嘅尺寸裁剪紙樣。我哋揀咗好容易安裝同埋清潔嘅強化地板，喺強化地板下面鋪上塑膠物料，可以減低行路時發出嘅聲音。
So the wall panel, I will measure exactly the size and then stick the panel on the wall. I want to give you a tipsy how you can measure something between two sides. If you cannot really measure it with one piece, then you can use the second one. By using both like this, you can slide them and then read, and then you need to calculate it correct together. I cut this shelf piece, what we want to build into our sleeping room. I will make an exact copy from this piece and use for that the router machine. This is the piece for the wall shelf. It's these clamps. You can see the plywood layer, 16 millimeter, and then 2 times the plywood with the ash veneer on top. This one I make nice round shape and cut nicely. So we drill a small little hole here and hold the board fixed on this piece of wood, which we will screw on the wall. On the right you can see the plywood stripe for the wall board to fix. On the left also we will fix now the wall. Here is the wall cover. After lacquer, we will fix it here. I will screw this wooden stick on the wall. Self-made plywood floor is now stick on the wood piece. We will just stick on it. Fix with 2 screws, one here, one there, and one we go through this wall from the other side. Today I will make the ceiling panel. We want to make the cutout for the window. So I will drill first in all 4 corners, then I will use the circular saw to cut the square out with the rail. The ceiling panel will be 6mm plywood panel, very light, and on that we will glue a fabric to have a nice color. I cut all the holes we need for the electric. This is here our fabric. This one we will stick here with a spray glue on top.
貼上布料嘅時候，需要將空氣擠壓出嚟。
This piece will be just stick easily here in between the wall and the armor flex, because I can use this plywood panel also to fix the ceiling on the other side of the wall. Then I will put some glue under. This will hold enough for the screw and also hold in position later. The ceiling panel looks like this from the back. Now we will screw it and fix it to the ceiling. And then install the light too.
同側窗一樣，可以根據需要將防蚊網拉出，或者拉上遮光簾。
Just installed our LED light here underneath. The cables going along the wall panel and come out here for the second LED. And it's working very well.
睡眠倉即刻變成一個夢幻倉。可以根據個人喜好調校 LED 燈嘅顏色、光暗或者停止閃動。喺呢個燈光氛圍之下，最好係瞓喺度睇下電影，享受一下夢幻嘅空間。
We hope you like to watch our videos. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us below. Please also subscribe and like our channel. Thank you very much for watching.